we, the students of GPPSU, conducted a Mother Earth campaign to lessen the problem of our surroundings and maintain the cleanliness of biodiversity matters. The target of our campaign is to catch the attention of every individual to cherish the beautiful ecosystem and have a green and neat environment.
Plants and animals survive, need each other. A group of organisms in their environments, an ecosystem like a tide pool, desert or Amazon rainforest. Both big and small, yet they're still all ecosystems, organisms, and environment. And communities on populations of all species in a particular area together living. While an ecosystem has the soil, water, sun, community is biotic, only living component in what's a biome. They're based on climate, a group of ecosystems like rainforests or tundras. The energy flows through ecosystems, stars as light from the sun. These level existence, each laws for ecosystems to survive. Need energy, constant supply. Energy begins as sunlight, transferred through organisms. Some succeed with each time. What happens to matter along it's making its way through? The matter is recycled, each atom is reused, each time assembled into new chemical structures, recycled from one organism onto another. Balance required for all things survival, like the food chain, nitrogen, water, carbon, and oxygen. These cycles vital, so organisms keep living. So let's be aware not to impair these natural ecosystems on the planet. Living organisms are one of three different kinds. Producers make their own food process using sunlight. Consumers like us humans are food we cannot make. Decomposers like fungi feed on waste, and what's a biome? They're based on climate, a group of ecosystems like rainforests or tundras. The energy flows through ecosystems, stars as light from the sun. Each level exists, each laws for ecosystems to survive. Need energy, constant supply. Energy begins as sunlight, transferred through organisms. Some succeed with each time. Plants and animals survive, need each other. A group of organisms in their environments, an ecosystem like a tide pool, desert or Amazon rainforest. Both big and small, yet they're still all ecosystems, organisms, and environment. And communities on populations of all species in a particular area together living. While an ecosystem has the soil, water, sun, community is biotic, only living component in what's a biome. They're based on climate, a group of ecosystems like rainforests or tundras. The energy flows through ecosystems, stars as light from the sun. Each level exists, each laws for ecosystems to survive. Need energy, constant supply.
The planet provides us with an abundance of wealth and gifts. The human race has made use of these tools for centuries. Every man has taken advantage of the funds and uses to their advantage. The fair use of energy on the other hand, has damaged the world because of our activities. We are putting the world in danger. It is past time for us to begin preserving and saving the world. We should begin making effort to save the world. Saving the world is an operation that is urgently needed. It is important to begin finding ways to save the world. Humans have always relied on the planet to meet their needs. These behaviors are to blame for the planet's destruction. Humans are dependent on the blessing that the world has bestowed upon them. As a consequence, if resources are threatened, humans will be able to live without them. It is one of the primary reasons for us to begin attempting to save the world. All life on earth will cease to exist if the world ceases to exist. If the world does not begin to recover, we will due. Our earth is one of the few locations on the planet where life remains. As a consequence, if the planet ceases to exist, we have nowhere to go. We must begin attempting to save the world right now. It would have an effect on the world if anyone wants to make a small effort. If a person begins to hold his bottle instead of using plastic, he or she reducing the amount of plastic use. There are also other things a person can do to help save the world, such as planting more trees. Deforestation can be minimized on a wide scale if everyone plants a few trees instead of cutting them down. It would also enhance the air quality and alter the overall climate. Water is one of the planet's most precious gifts. However, even though there is a lot of water on the planet, you can't use it all.
Everyone's everyday intake and use is dependent on a small percentage. We need to stop wasting water and try to save as much as we can. All of the world's inhabitants, states, and citizens should join together to begin saving the earth. To save the world, you can't rely solely on the government. Every person should take a small step toward saving the planet because every small step counts. We should start working together to try this project because the world is in dire need of our support right now. It is past time for us to begin caring for the planet, which has provided us with an abundance of gifts that we have abused to our benefits.
Plants and animals survive, need each other. A group of organisms in their environments, an ecosystem like a tide pool, desert or Amazon rainforest. Both big and small, yet they're still all ecosystems, organisms, and environment. And communities on populations of all species in a particular area together living. While an ecosystem has the soil, water, sun, community is biotic, only living component in what's a biome. They're based on climate, a group of ecosystems like rainforests or tundras. The energy flows through ecosystems, stars as light from the sun. Each level exists as each laws for ecosystems to survive. Need energy, constant supply. Energy begins as sunlight, transferred through organisms. Some nozzles with each time. What happens to matter along it's making its way through? The matter is recycled, each atom is reused, each time assembled into new chemical structures, recycled from one organism onto another. Balance required for all things survival, like the food chain, nitrogen, water, carbon, and oxygen. These cycles vital, so organisms keep living. So let's be aware not to impair these natural ecosystems on the planet. Living organisms are one of three different kinds. Producers make their own food process using sunlight. Consumers like us humans are food we cannot make. Decomposers like fungi feed on waste and what's a biome. They're based on climate. group of ecosystems like rainforests or tundras. The energy flows through ecosystems, starts as light from the sun. Each stabilizes as each laws for ecosystems to survive. Need energy, constant supply, energy be.
We, the students of CPPSU from the College of Teacher Education, let us save the Mother Earth.
Plants and